Hi friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to change enter key direction in MS Excel. So before start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, if you also change enter key direction in MS Excel, then I'll show you how to do this. First of all, open your MS Excel. Then click on Files, click on Options. In this, you can see here Advanced. Click on this. You can see here after pressing Enter, move selection. If you are unselect, you should select this option. You can see here direction. Here select left, click here. Then you select which one you want. For example, I select right. Then press on OK. You can see here. That's it guys. So in this you will change enter key direction in MS Excel. Thanks for watching friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.